In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a table and adjust page width in Confluence. First, start by opening the Confluence page that contains the table you want to fix. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct page and that you have permission to make changes. Once you're ready, click the Edit button at the top of the page to enter editing mode. This switches the page to an editor where you can interact with the table directly. Click anywhere inside the table to activate it. You should see the cell borders and column dividers become more pronounced. Hover your cursor over the vertical line between two columns until it changes to a resize cursor. Then click and drag that border to the left or right to make the table wider. As you drag, keep an eye on how the content reflows. If your text wraps awkwardly or your headers become cramped, try small adjustments rather than one big move. It's often easier to widen the most crowded columns first, then fine-tune the others so the table stays balanced and readable. If your table still feels squeezed inside the page, switch the page to a wider layout. In the editor toolbar, look for the layout or width setting and change the page from fixed width to full width. Full width gives your table more horizontal space across the screen, which is especially helpful for wide datasets or columns with longer text. If your page uses a multi-column layout, consider placing the table in the widest section so it isn't constrained by a narrow column. Return to the table and keep adjusting the column borders until the content fits properly. Aim for a comfortable line length in each column, make sure headers aren't cramped, and verify that numbers, dates, or links don't wrap unnecessarily. If you have a column with very short values, like IDs or initials, narrow that column slightly so wider columns can breathe. The goal is a clean, scannable table with as little horizontal scrolling as possible. When everything looks good in the editor, click Publish to save your changes. After publishing, review the table on the live page. Check it at your normal zoom level, and if possible, glance at it on a smaller window to see how it responds. If anything still feels tight or misaligned, go back into Edit and make quick refinements. With these steps, you'll have a clear, readable table that fits your page perfectly.